Laksha Public School, Ward number 19 Kudra Bypass Road, Bhabuya, Kimur.
A very good morning to the Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friend. I am Palak Kumari, I read in grade 6B. Today I am here to tell about International Freedom Fighter Day. Today is 4th May, International Freedom Fighter Day. So let's start. Our freedom fighter the key to highlights the freedom struggles against the British. We give from great freedom fighter. The struggle was long and involved a lot of sacrifice, but in the end, finally, on August 15, 1947, British decided to declare India an independent nation. Give me your blood and I will give you freedom. The motivational line used by Netaji to inspire people to seek freedom. I am selected a few lines in Hindi on a country. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों पे गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है। वो देश जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम और वंदे मातरम और कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ उत्कल गंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर टुकराए हुए की शरण स्थली बन जाता है। 7 समुद्र पार परदेशियों को भी ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहकर बुलाता है। यह प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। थैंक यू, जय हिंद।
Good morning everyone. This is Kajal Kumari. I study in grade 6B. Today I am here to tell something about International Freedom Fighter Day. As you know, India is democratic republic country because the head of state fighter are the people who fought against the British. Freedom fighter are inspire and motivate the other to fight against injustice. Freedom fighters are the pillar of the freedom movement. Gandhiji also helped the people all around the world, and he is also known as the father of the nation. And I will also tell the thought that was spoken by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. All the citizens of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right on this country, but with duties. Thank you. Have a nice day.
They done lot of activities for the freedom in India. And if I talk about our constitution is very important for after got the freedom of India, because all the freedom fighters done lots of sacrifices they done, so that's why they are very important. So always we give the respect to our freedom fighters because they given us lot of happiness, lot of prosperity and all the things. Because you are here. If you are here properly, you can stay in school, you can go to the market, you can do anything in your life. It's only from the effort of freedom fighters. If they didn't effort that time, then we can't get the freedom till now. Because Britishers was very dangerous. They was ruling in all over the world. at different continents in different countries. So that's why we always remember them. We always remember our freedom fighters. They are very important for us. And
And one more thing, freedom is not just about getting yourself free from the slavery of any kind of person or empire. It's more about getting yourself free from that burden thought in your mind. On education, poverty, and all those religious bigotry. So keep your mind, learn to keep your mind free as well. And on that very good note, I would like to call someone from our teacher's fraternity. And what I know about him that he is really good at writing poetry and reciting it as well. And he would like to share a motivational poetry today in front of you all. And he is none other than, you already know his name. He is Mr. Roshan. And please be attentive on all ears. आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार है। आज फ्रीडम फाइटर डे है, तो आज से 4-5 साल मैंने पोएट्री टाइप की कुछ फ्रीडम फाइटर
जिन्होंने रखी भारत की शान, शान से हो गए हैं कुर्बान। बता दे ऐ तू हिंदुस्तान, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। जिन्होंने ये कभी नहीं समझा कौन अपने कौन पराए, सबको समझा एक समान। बता दे ऐ तू हिंदुस्तान, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। उम्र थी जब कच्चे खेलने की, खुशी से खाने पीने सोने की। मन ने त्यागा माँ का प्यार, हाथों ने उठा लिया हथियार। बेचैनी थी जिनके मन में, जो चैन से रह ना पाए, उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। माता है जिसकी बीमार, पिताजी हैं जिसके लाचार। बच्चों भूखों मरते हैं, सड़क पर बहन बेचती है चाय। उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए, हम उन्हें क्या देंगे। हमारी इतनी औकात कहाँ, चलो उनके चरणों में हम नित नित शीश झुकाएं। उन्हें हम क्या दे पाए। तो बहुत छोटा सा पोर्शन था, ये बहुत लंबा चौड़ा पोएट्री है। मुझे फिलहाल इतना ही याद आ रहा है, जो मैंने आज से 4-5 साल पहले लगभग 2016-17 के आसपास लिखी थी। अब अचानक आज याद आ गया। और तो चलिए, हैव अ ग्रेट डे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।